Hey guys. Yeah, right now I'm recording very late. In the morning it gets up about 7. So yeah, I'll be playing more Baldi's Basics. Now in the last episode I did die from Baldi. It just got cut out for some reason. So we're gonna do 2 or 3 rounds before it tries to cut out again. So yeah. Hello Baldi. I've been practicing this a little, but I did get 7 out of 7 off camera. So you can think how good I am and stuff, then that means I'm doing good. You get the quarter. I heard there's other quarters that can around the map now, so yeah. -2, -3, then we don't know that one. Still, if you get 3 out of 3 wrong on one question, it says I hear math that bad or like a random thing. I'm going this way and hopefully playtime doesn't show up, because I hate her. What? I heard something random. Okay. So yeah, guys, I've been practicing. This guy, that other guy, could really help. I haven't even seen Baldi yet. Where is he? 3, 7. I get angry for every problem you go wrong. Also, I figured out the real answer. The real answer for that problem would be 3.342, but it's an anonymous question. That's supposed to help. Well, that did nothing for us. Okay. I'm gonna get down here and blast them all the way back. Oh, they got the principal's near. Oh crap. Oh my god, how did she catch me? He's not gonna see us in here. It's gonna have the same questions, but not really. So let's see if we can get 7 out of 7 first try. That'd be awesome. This is really gonna be hard. Oh god! No! I'm gonna die. Dang it. Are you serious? That was like my first try and I got so close. Let's try this again, guys. And this time we're gonna try and do this in a pattern. We're gonna do the blue one first and then the pink. I'm not sure if that really works, but it's gonna be harder math, I heard. Because there is a mod for Baldi's Basics, it still is, but instead of Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning, it's just Baldi's Brutal Basics in Education and Learning. It's so weird. I can see we're closer now. 0. If they literally flip this, I swear to gosh. So, the first time we walk out the door, let's come on. Come on. Yeah, we still were closer. So that really does help. If you guys want to try that out when you get Baldi's Basics, then sure. I am gonna start a mini series soon on this game called Inch by Inch. I thought it was very interesting, so I thought, why not play it? No, no. Goodbye. This guy's bad at turning. Nope. Wait, can he? Oh my gosh, he missed again. The hug guy, he really sucks at dodging. He really sucks at getting his target. Please somebody outside my door. I also heard he can. I also heard he could be. Wait, what? Which door is he coming out? Because I don't see Baldi. Baldi? Oh god, thank god. Where's Baldi coming from? Like, what? I don't see Baldi anywhere. That's creepy. Just in case, though, I see. Oh no. Okay, yeah, they got. Thank God. Okay, we gotta hurry because I hear Baldi. Oh, 3, 2, 1. I heard Baldi, so let's go. Ow. Please no. Oh crap. If Spencer gets close enough, I heard we could blow him back. Soda. Ah. Oh, that's the sweeper. Oh my god, I helped. That helped. Why do I hear eerie, like, sirens? That's creepy. Okay, we're actually doing kind of good this time. Like, we're not doing that bad. Oh! He still follows you even though you blow him back. That's so stupid. Please don't be here. Please don't be here. I swear to God if he's here. Wait, oh. She got rid of my problem anyway. I don't know. It's a broom. How am I supposed to assume a broom's gender? Healthy, okay. A -3? Oh, wow. I'm getting better at math. If we fail, this is probably going to be our best attempt, because... He's getting closer, I can hear. I can hear Baldi. It's still over here. No, this is gonna be our best attempt, I believe. Ah! No, 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 no. This is our best attempt, at least, guys. 6 out of 7. Are you serious? Are you serious? Nope. I'm not gonna pass. Wait, can I dodge him? If I could dodge him the whole time. Nope. This game is so stressful. I really want to die. I'm gonna do one more for today. It's gonna be classic again because I really don't care. Wait, how long has it been already? Like, I can't. Like, my mouse is gone. Oh my god. My mouse is gone. Okay, that's creepy. So I can't check. I really want to get Baldi's brutal basics in education and learning because it has times in division. Because I'm very good at division. Because I heard 0 divided by 0 is an unavoidable question. Well, it's possible to answer, but you just gotta type in nothing. But I'm not really sure if that would be an answer. I'm just gonna, like, what if you just click it? And so I'm assuming that will be one of the harder questions that you'll get wrong on purpose at the end. Or, who knows when. Are you serious? The Pringles already out? Dude, these guys are out way earlier. Now. Oh, wow. If I would've, oh, wow, we actually go through the rooms? There's the second quarter. So I have 50 cents, which can get me a lot. There he is. Let's take a shortcut this time. I can't hear Baldi. That's creepy. Okay, yep, he's getting closer. If Baldi didn't move, though, when you were getting a math question, that'd just be scary. Like, I don't even know where he is now. Wait, Baldi? I feel like any second from now, he's just gonna appear in the middle of nowhere and just scare the living crap out of me. That's the detention room. Oh my god. The answer would be 3.342, which I would know because I've done math. I used a calculator on Baldi Basics before. Oh, yes. Thank you. Ah, that's too far. Oh, that's a sleeper guy. Thank you. I feel like in any minute something's just gonna happen in the middle of nowhere and just scare the living crap out of me. -2? Okay. If we get 7 out of 7 this time, I swear to gosh, I'll be happy. If Baldi would have got that in the middle of nowhere, I swear to gosh. Oh, okay. Oh my god, hurry! I'm gonna murder you, playtime. Wish I had the scissors. Wait, the scissors were in there. The scissors were in there. The real big classes. Oh my god. Oh crap. 7, 1. Oh my god. I hope we get 7 out of 7. Please. Oh my god. I don't care if we don't get 7 out of 7. But this is our best attempt. No! I just need to beat a beat soda. If I do, I'll be saved. Ah! Come on. Ah! Ah! In your face. Come on. No! That was the last one! Crap! Oh my god. This was our closest attempt, at least. 1. No!